So hello friends, let's start Java class 8 chapter number first, rational number. Introduction to rational number. First we will learn about introduction to rational number. In this chapter, rational number of class 8, we will learn about rational number, their properties, how to represent rational number on the number line, and also to find a rational number between any two rational number with the help of examples. First we will learn about whole number. First we will learn about whole numbers. Whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers and natural numbers. Natural numbers are the set of numbers that start from one counting up to infinity. Natural number किसको कहते हैं? Natural number are set of numbers start from one counting up to infinity. नेचुरल नंबर इसको कहते हैं जो पहली काउंटिंग से शुरू होता है और इन्फिनिटी पे जाके ख़त्म होता है. द सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर इज डिनोटेड बाय एन. सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर किससे डिनोट होता है? सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर इज डिनोटेड बाय n. Set of natural number n is, for example, n is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then we will come to the properties of natural number. Properties of natural numbers. Closure properties is applied for whole number in case of addition and multiplication. Closure property is applied only for applicable for whole number in the case of addition and multiplication. While it is not in the case of subtraction and division, but in the case of subtraction and division it is not used. This applicable to natural number as well, and this is applicable to natural number as well. In both the number we will use is natural number and whole number. Now we will learn about what is whole number. Whole number. Whole number are the set of numbers starting from 0 and going up to infinity. In natural number, the number starts from 1, and in whole number, the whole number starts from start from 0 to infinite. Infinite. So basically, they are natural number with 0 added to the set. Basically, we will called as basically we will called as natural number with the 0 added to the set. Is this all clear for you? First, we will learn about natural numbers. Natural number is a set number starting from 1 counting up to infinity. Set of natural numbers denoted by n. For example, n, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Properties of natural and whole number. First, we will learn about closure properties. Closure property is applicable for whole number in the case of addition and multiplication, and this is applicable, and this is while this is not applicable in the in the case of subtraction. Sorry for that. In the case, this is not applicable in the case of subtraction and division. This applies to natural number as well, and this applies to natural number as well. This applies to natural number as well. And then we will learn about second property. This we called as commutative properties. Commutative properties. Commutative properties applies for whole number. This properties applied for whole number. This commutative properties. This property applies for whole number and natural number as well. In case of addition and multiplication. In case of addition and multiplication. But not in the case of subtraction and division. But not in the case of subtraction and division. Do you understand what I'm explaining? First, we have learned about whole number and natural number, कि whole number क्या होता है और natural number क्या होता है. फिर हमने उसके प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में पढ़ा, जैसे कि क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी एक हो गई कम्यूनेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज़, और एक और प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, उसको बोलते हैं एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टीज़. Associative properties. Associative property. Associative property applies to whole number and natural number in case of addition multiplication, but not in the case of subtraction and division. It is applicable to whole number and natural number in the case of addition but and multiplication but not in the case of division and subtraction. So basically, I have learned about whole number, natural number, and their three properties. First property is commutative property. Second property is closure property, and third property is associative property. Then we will learn to say the whole number are the part of number which include all positive number to infinity, 0 to infinity. Natural number are the part of number positive integer from 1 to infinity. For example of whole number of commutative properties. Now a example. whole number की तीन प्रॉपर्टीज होती, कम्यूटेटिव, क्लोजर and associative. Okay, so first we will learn about closure properties. Example, closure properties, example of whole numbers. Okay, they can be closed under addition and multiplication. If, let example, if x and y are two whole number, then x into y or x plus y are also a whole number. Example, 5 and 8 both are whole number. So 5 plus 8 equals to 13 and 5 into 8 equals to 40. They will be whole number as well. Then we will learn about commutative properties. Example, first we'll learn about the sum. The sum and product of two whole number will be same whatever the order they are added or multiplication. If x plus x and y are the two whole number, x plus y equals to y plus x, and x into y equals to y into x. Let me give you example. If x and y are two whole number, okay, whole numbers. Then we will then x plus y equals to y plus x, and x into y equals to y into x. Okay, consider two whole numbers like 3 and 7. Okay, 3 plus 7 equals to 10 and 7 plus 3 equals to 10, it's for addition, and for multiplication, like 3 into 7 equals to 21, 7 into 3 equals to 21. It's for multiplication. Now we will learn about associative property. Associative property examples. Okay, associative properties, whole number example. Okay, if there are three whole numbers like x, y, and z are whole number, then x plus y plus z in bracket equals to x plus y in bracket plus z, or x into y into z in bracket equals to x into y in bracket into z. For example, let's take three whole numbers like 2, 3, and 4 is x, y, and z. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 4 into bracket equals to 2 plus 7 equals to 9. Okay, 2 plus 3 in bracket plus 4 equals to 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So the result will be same. For multiplication, we will say 2 into 3 into 4 equals to 2 into 12 equals to 24. Okay. Then again 2 into 3 in bracket into 4 equals to 6 into 4 equals to 24. The result will be always same. We have completed whole numbers, some properties, and there are many more properties like we have to study about multiplicative identity in whole number. Multiplicative identity. Okay, example like if x is a whole number, then x into 1 equals to x. Like for example, if x is a whole number, okay, then x into 1 equals to x. Okay, or equals to 1 into x. Okay, considered example will make you clear what I'm trying to explain you. 1 into 15 equals to 15. Okay, and 15 into 1 equals to 15. The result will always be same. Now multiplicative property. Now we have a additive identity. They are multiplicative additive identity. Okay, in this, if x is a whole number, okay, x plus 0 equals to 0 plus x equals to x. For example, let's consider x as 11. For example, let's consider two whole number. Consider two whole number. Okay, two whole number like 0 and 11. Okay, so 0 plus 11 equals to 11, and 11 plus 0 equals to 11. Now we will learn about distributive property in whole number. Distributive properties in whole number. If x and y and z are three whole number, okay, the distributive property of multiplication over addition is x y plus z, x into y plus x into z. Similarly, the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction is x y minus z, x into y minus x y. Let me explain you. If we considered, हम तीन होल नंबर लेंगे, थ्री होल नंबर, ओके, like x, y and z, okay. X into y plus z equals to क्या होगा, x into y plus x into z, okay. And x into y minus z का क्या हो जाएगा, x into y minus का x into z, okay. For example, we will take three whole numbers like 9, 11 and 6, okay. So 9 into 11 plus 6 equals to 9 into 17, then the result will be 153. 9 into 11 plus 9 into 6, the result will be 99 plus 54, and this will be 153, okay. Both are same, only method difference, but we can both the same, and हम दोनों तरीके से कर सकते हैं. For example, for example it's for addition, okay. For example, minus like x into y minus z, okay. इसका एग्जाम्पल हम लोग लेते थे. 9 इंटू 11 माइनस 6 कितना हो जाएगा, 9 इंटू 5 45, ओके. और हम लोग यही दूसरे मेथड से करेंगे, जैसे कि 9 इंटू 11 माइनस 9 इंटू 6, तो फर्स्ट 99 माइनस 54 आएगा, तो कितना आएगा 45. ऐसे भी 45 आया, वैसे भी 45 आया, दोनों में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं हुआ. मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय ज़ीरो, ओके. हम लोग ये तो पता ही है कि किसी भी चीज़ को ज़ीरो से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा, ज़ीरो आएगा. तब भी हम बता देते हैं इसमें, मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय ज़ीरो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय ज़ीरो, ओके. 0 इंटू 12 कितना आएगा, कंसिडर्ड होल नंबर है, होल नंबर इज 12, ओके. तो 12 इंटू 0 कितना आ जाएगा, 0, या 0 इंटू 12 कितना आ जाएगा, 0. बस यही है, सिंपल सा है. डिवीजन बाय ज़ीरो, अ डिवीजन ऑफ होल नंबर बाय ज़ीरो इज नॉट डिफाइंड. इफ x is a whole number, then x divided by 0 is not defined, okay. For today we will have to see, like I have some examples, so you can have a clear view on this. Like I have some questions here. Can whole number be negative? A whole number can be negative. This is a very important line. Like a whole number can't be negative, okay. This is to be noted from you. We have some examples like let me solve the example for you. Some questions with example, like examples, solving questions, okay. R 100, 227, 198 and 4321 whole number. Example first, okay. Whole number. So we will use here yes, इसका आंसर होगा yes, 100, 2027, 198 and 4321 are all whole number because they are not in negative form, and whole number start from 0 to infinites. Okay, and for solving second example, solve 110 into 5 plus 10 using the distributive properties. Okay, so will you solve this question and comment me the answer? Thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, share, and tell me how was the class. Thank you so much.